Cisco has released fixes for 34 flaws in its software, including 24 that affect its FXOS software for firepower firewalls and NX-OS software for Nexus switches. Cisco's June updates include fixes for 5 critical arbitrary code execution vulnerabilities affecting FXOS and NX-OS and 19 high-rated flaws affecting the software. A dozen of them affect both FXOS and NX-OS, while the remaining only affect NX-OS. Cisco says that none of the flaws affects its iOS or iOS-C software. 4 of the critical flaws affect FXOS and NX-OS Cisco Fabric Services, while the 5th one affects the NX API feature of NX-OS. All have a CVSS v3 score of 9.8 out of a maximum of 10. The 4 affecting Cisco Fabric Services are because FXOS/NX-OS insufficiently validates header values in Cisco Fabric Services packets. Cisco Fabric Services facilitate distribution and synchronization of configuration data between Cisco devices on the same network. Some of the flaws allow an unauthenticated, remote attack to execute arbitrary code, and one allows an attacker to do so as root. Multiple switches are vulnerable if they've been configured to use Cisco Fabric Services, including its Nexus 2000 series through to Nexus 9000 series switches, as well as Cisco's Firepower 4100 series next-gen firewalls and other hardware. The insufficient input validation may occur when FXOS and NX-OS process Cisco Fabric Services packets received during distribution and synchronization. There are various ways to exploit each of the flaws, depending on what Cisco Fabric Services distribution types have been configured. For example, if fiber channel ports are configured as a distribution type for a device,